Hello YouTube, WhiteD586 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods 3rd generation. It's the Apple logo. Let me make sure I'm not doing any barcode information. See? Cool, it's got MagSafe as well. Let me check if that's got any barcodes. I think we're good. See? AirPods 3rd generation. Thanks on here. Believe me, it's on there. Go ahead and open this up. And let's open the seal. See the two seals are right there, the thing. Let's open this up. Wow. You got the little booklet, designed by Apple in California. Got all your paperwork in there. Set that right there. Here's the actual AirPods themselves. If I can get it out. Oh, perfect. There they are. Yeah. I'll get that still off later. Then at the bottom of the box, you get your charger, pretty sure. I'm new to this, so don't feel bad. Oh, there it is. There's the cable. You got your lightning cable. It looks like, no, USB-C this time around. Oh no, you got the lightning to USB-C because the still uses lightning. Okay, I see what it is. Go ahead and put everything back in the box, at least the best I can. Okay, that's the best I can do. Go ahead and put these books back in here. Put this back in here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the AirPods 3rd generation. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a very Merry Christmas.